So, we're all playing around with AI chatbots, right? But what if I told you there's a totally different kind of AI from Google Labs, one that's becoming a secret weapon for anyone dealing with information overload? This is NotebookLM. All right, let me just start with a kind of provocative question. What if you had an AI that just couldn't lie? I mean, what if it was physically incapable of hallucinating because it literally wasn't allowed to? It's a really simple idea, but it fundamentally changes everything about how we can trust and use these tools. Now check this out, because this slide really breaks it down perfectly. On the left, you've got your standard AI, right? It's searching the entire messy internet, and, sometimes it just makes stuff up. But on the right, you have NotebookLM. The key difference? It only uses the documents that you give it. That means it's grounded in your facts. And because of that, it can cite its sources, your sources, for every single thing it says. And that right there, that's the whole idea. See, you shouldn't think of this as an AI for all the world's information. No, this is an AI exclusively for your information. It's like you're building a custom brain that only knows exactly what you want it to know. So here's the thing we gotta understand. We need to completely reframe our thinking. This isn't just another tool you chat with about random stuff. It's a super powerful, personalized engine that's designed to help you analyze, understand, and create new things from your own collection of documents. So let's get into the first big use case here and see how this actually builds into something incredibly powerful. We're talking about taking dense, complicated research and turning it into clear, actionable insights. Oh, come on. We have all been there, right? Doesn't matter if you're a student, a PhD, a lawyer, you're staring at this mountain of PDFs and articles. You know the information you need is in there somewhere, but finding it feels absolutely impossible. And boom, here's the solution. And it's so simple. Step 1, you upload your research papers, your notes, whatever you've got. Step 2, you ask it a really important high-level question. And step 3, instead of you spending days reading, the tool just synthesizes all the key insights for you in minutes. And this is where it gets crazy smart. You can ask these incredibly deep questions. Things like, what are the main contradictions across all these different studies? Or even, where are the research gaps? For academics, for lawyers trying to organize case files, for doctors reviewing clinical trials, this is a superpower. It's all about finding those hidden connections you might have missed. And if you're a student, oh man, it gets even better. Imagine uploading all of your lecture notes and class slides for the semester, and then just telling the AI, hey, create a 20-question quiz based on this. Because it only uses your material, it becomes the perfect, totally distraction-free study partner to get you ready for exams. Okay, so it's amazing for research, but it is not just for academics. Let's switch gears and see how that same core idea turns NotebookLM into an incredible partner for your professional and even your creative work. You know this feeling, right? We've all been there. You get out of a long meeting and like an hour later, nobody is quite sure who was supposed to do what or when it was due. It's just organized chaos. But what if you could just upload the meeting transcript and ask, what are the action items? Well, you get this. A perfectly structured table with the task, who owns it, and the deadline. You go from total chaos to instant clarity. This could save project managers hours, literally every single week. Okay, now we have to talk about a feature that is so powerful, it feels like cheating. For anybody who creates content, this is a total game changer. It's called Audio Overview. Just imagine taking a dense 40-page report, and with a single click, it generates a natural conversational podcast about it, with 2 different AI hosts. You can instantly repurpose blog posts or turn research into a video script. It's literally a content creation machine. And the list just goes on and on. Consultants can use it to create slide outlines and speaker notes. Founders can analyze their competitor's website. HR teams can build an entire internal knowledge hub from company policies. Even novelists can upload their chapters just to check for character and plot consistency. The possibilities are huge. So let's bring this all home. Let's go back to that one core principle. What is it that truly makes this tool so different and, frankly, so much more reliable? The magic word here is grounded. All this means is that the AI's entire universe of knowledge is limited to only the documents you provide. It literally doesn't have the option to go roam the web or pull in random facts. Its world is your world. And that one simple rule, it's what gives you all the good stuff. You get way fewer hallucinations. You get clear, clickable citations that take you right back to the original sentence in your own document.
The answers are super context aware. And maybe most importantly, you get total privacy for your documents.
Which, of course, brings us to the final and I think the most important question of all. Now that you know what this tool can do, what are you going to do with it? And look, that's really the big idea here. While most people are just passively chatting with AI, a tool like this lets you actually control it. You can build your own personalized AI engine to solve your own specific problems. So, thinking about everything we just covered, from research and studying to productivity and creativity, what's the first thing you're going to try?